Hi everyone! Pluto, once the ninth planet of the solar system, remains one of the most mysterious and fascinating worlds in space. With icy volcanoes, a giant heart-shaped glacier, and even a possible hidden ocean, Pluto is full of surprises. But did you know that Pluto is smaller than the US, has a year that lasts 248 Earth years, and might even harbor alien life beneath its icy crust? Let's explore the 10 most incredible data-backed facts about Pluto, each one more shocking than the last. Fact 1. Pluto was a planet for 76 years, then lost its status. For 76 years, 1930 to 2006, Pluto was officially the ninth planet of the solar system. But in 2006, the International Astronomical Union, IAU, downgraded Pluto to a dwarf planet. Why was Pluto demoted? To be classified as a planet, a celestial body must orbit the Sun. Pluto does that. Be round due to gravity. Pluto is round. Clear its orbit of debris. In this aspect, Pluto fails. Since Pluto shares its orbit with other Kuiper Belt objects, it lost planetary status. But many astronomers still argue that Pluto should be a planet again. Fact 2. Pluto is smaller than the US and could fit inside Russia. Pluto's diameter is just 1473 miles, 370 kilometers, making it smaller than the width of the United States, 2800 miles or 4500 kilometers. Size comparisons. Pluto is 18.5% the size of Earth. Pluto is 66% the size of Earth's moon. Pluto could fit inside Russia, which spans 5600 miles or 9000 kilometers east to west. Fact 3. Pluto has a giant heart-shaped glacier. In 2015, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft discovered a 1,000-mile wide, 1,600 kilometers heart-shaped glacier called Tombaugh Regio. The left lobe, Sputnik Planitia, is made of frozen nitrogen, carbon monoxide, and methane. Scientists believe this glacier moves, proving Pluto is geologically active. Fact 4. Pluto has ice volcanoes that spew frozen water. Forget lava-spewing volcanoes. Pluto has cryovolcanoes that eject slushy water, nitrogen, and ammonia. Pluto's biggest ice volcanoes. Right Mons, 13,000 feet or 4,000 meters tall, almost as high as Mount Rainier. Picard Mons, 22,000 feet or 7,000 meters tall, nearly the height of Denali, North America's tallest mountain. These ice volcanoes suggest Pluto might have liquid water underground, raising the question, could Pluto support alien life? Fact 5. Pluto's year lasts 248 Earth years. Pluto orbits the Sun at 3.67 billion miles, 5.9 billion kilometers, so far that one Pluto year lasts 248 Earth years. Example. If Pluto's last new year was in 1776, the year of American independence, its next one would have been in 2024. Pluto's day length. One Pluto day, one full rotation, lasts 6.4 Earth days. If you lived on Pluto, you'd experience one sunrise per week. Fact 6. Pluto has 5 moons and one is almost its twin. Pluto has 5 moons, the largest being Charon, which is nearly half its size. Pluto's moons. Charon, 751 miles, 1208 km across. Nix, 49 km across. Hydra, 51 km across. Kerberos, 19 kilometers across. Styx, 16 km across. Because Charon is so massive, Pluto and Charon orbit each other, acting like a double planet system. Fact 7. Pluto is one of the coldest places in the solar system. Pluto's temperature can drop to minus 400 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 240 degrees Celsius, cold enough to freeze nitrogen solid. For comparison, Antarctica's coldest temperature, minus 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 89.2 degrees Celsius. Neptune's coldest temp, minus 373 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 225 degrees Celsius. Fact 8. Pluto's atmosphere appears and disappears. Pluto's atmosphere is made of nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide, but it's seasonal. When Pluto is closer to the Sun, its ice melts into gas, forming a thin atmosphere. When Pluto drifts farther away, the gases freeze and fall back to the surface. Fact 9. Only one spacecraft has ever visited Pluto. NASA's New Horizons spacecraft reached Pluto in 2015 after a 9.5-year journey covering 3 billion miles, 4.8 billion kilometers. New Horizons discoveries. Pluto has mountains of water ice. Pluto's sky is blue. Pluto's atmosphere is leaking into space. Fact 10. Pluto might have a hidden ocean and possible life. Scientists believe Pluto might have an underground ocean beneath 100 miles or 160 kilometers of ice. This could mean Pluto has conditions for life, like Europa and Enceladus. The ocean may be salty and ammonia-rich, preventing it from freezing. Final thoughts: Pluto is more than just a dwarf planet. Despite its size, Pluto is one of the most fascinating worlds in our solar system. With volcanoes, a vanishing atmosphere, and a possible ocean, Pluto could change everything we know about space. Want more mind-blowing space facts? Share this article and follow us for the latest discoveries.